DexCom G6. Hope you enjoy. So the first thing about changing your DexCom is to rip off this old sensor. So to start, I try to find an edge that's kind of peeling a little bit. Here. As you start, and you just rip it off. And so this was the thing that had been on you. And it kind of itches a little bit, but it's not that bad. So the next thing is this end that has the circular part. You bend the sensor part of that. It's a little hard, but there we go. And then the transmitter slides right out. And then this is sadly going to be trash. And your transmitter just sat on the table or something next to you. And that's how to take out your old DexCom. So a super important step before you put your transmitter in, alcohol swab it down because it gets pretty gross in those 10 days that you're wearing it. So open up your alcohol swab and then just clean off your transmitter a little bit. Especially here at the very end, that part gets pretty gross. So yeah, just clean it off. I'm sorry I'm not doing a great job of showing this. Okay, so your transmitter is a little more clean now, and it's better when you put it on. I just had one of my family members put on this Flonase spray. Technically, it's not required, and it's also technically not approved, but I use it because it tries to make DexComs less itchy. So to use it, you open up the cap. So this is the cap, and it comes off like that. And then you hold it like this, or at least that's how I hold it. And then you push down on the white part. And I don't know if you could see, but I just sprayed some stuff. But yep, that's how to use the Flonase. And now it's time to put on your DexCom. This is the applicator for putting it on. And this part is already coming up. That's how they come. And you just rip that off. That did not go super well, but I can still probably get the applicator out. But now you, these stickers on the bottom, there's a little tab here, and you pull that off. And then the second sticker here is important. That's how you start your DexCom. You either need the code or the QR code to take a picture of. So when you peel that off, save it. Like stick it to a table next to you or something. And then I'm gonna put it on my arm, so I'm gonna put it on like that. But before you do, you need to break off this little protective orange thing, being super careful to not touch the button. And then you put it where you want it. So I'm gonna put mine here. And then you just press this orange button. And it usually doesn't hurt that much. So yeah, now my DexCom is in. I am very aware that it's not straight. And then you take your transmitter and put it in until you hear 2 clicks. It's being kind of difficult. I'm gonna need some help, so.
Okay, it goes in the
Okay. And there we go. There's my DexCom. So sometimes when you remove your DexCom, there's a lot of gross, sticky stuff left where it had been. And so to get rid of that, I use this stuff. It's called the Tatchel. I got it from the hospital when they were removing the sticky part of my IV. And so when I take off my DexCom now, we just take the cap off and put some on the paper towel. I've already done that, but yeah, and then you just rub where your DexCom had been. So I'm gonna go do that. Actually, I'm just going to do that. So on the paper towel, there's some gray. That's the sticky, gross stuff that was on my skin. It doesn't look like a lot, but I know that there was a lot on me, so I don't really know where the rest went, but it did help clean my skin. Now it's kind of sad, but all of the stuff that I didn't use, or that I don't save, has to go in the trash. So the 2 stickers on the bottom of the DexCom go in the trash. The protective thing goes in the trash. And we actually saved these, but for most people they would go in the trash.